Okay, today I'm going to teach you in a different way, or same as Sri Lakshmi teaches. Okay, that is inquiry training model. Inquiry model. In that model, you have to ask me question. Ask me question. I will reply only yes or no. So you have to only. First I will say a story. Okay, then based on that story, I will end it with some question or a doubtful situation. So you have to answer that, or you have to find out your own reasons and ask me in a yes or no question pattern, and I will answer it either yes or no. Okay? Okay, let's see. There was a boy named Ramu. Ramu loves ships. So on his birthday, Ramu and his father went to see shipyard. There were a lot of huge ships, and he was playing with a coin. Suddenly, the coin fell into the river, and it disappeared. So Ramu was very sad, and he asked father, "Acha, where is my coin?" So he said, "Morning, that fell into the water." So Ramu was a bit more confused. So he asked again, "Acha, these huge ships are floating on the water. Then why my coin fell into the river and fell into the sea and sank?" It's a genuine doubt, right? Yes. He was very sad and his coin fell into the river. The coin is very light in weight than a huge ship. Still, the coin fell into the river and it sank, but the ship is still and floating on water. So, any of you have do you find any? Did you find any reasons, or do you have any doubts in your mind? Everybody has doubts in mind, right? Why? Okay, so you may ask now you can ask questions, and I will provide you with yes or no answers, and from that we will conclude to an answer, and we will learn the concept we are going to study today. Okay. First, you can ask Manisha. Did you listen to the story? Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. Okay, Manisha, now you can ask the question. It should be an answer or question, okay? Yes. Was the ship small or large? Yes or no question?
രാമു കോയിൻ ഇട്ട ഉടനെ പോയോ?
It's large. It's large. Yes. You can ask in Malayalam also. You can either ask evening or morning. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes.
ഇട്ട ഉടനെ മുങ്ങിപ്പോയായിരുന്നോ കോയിൻ? ഇട്ട ഉടനെ കോയിൻ മുങ്ങിപ്പോയായിരുന്നോ? ഷിപ്പിൽ ഒത്തിരി ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? ഷിപ്പിൽ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടോ?
Science students, right? We are studying on 9th standard, so we are science students. Something more related to science, anything. Like Sri Lakshmi is already
Density.
that ice floats on water. Anybody ask question based on that?
ഷിപ്പിന്റെ ഡെൻസിറ്റി
Yes or no questions?
ഷിപ്പിന്റെ ഡെൻസിറ്റി കൂടുതലായിരുന്നോ കോയിനെക്കാട്ടിലും?
No. We can ask. Yes. Yes. Question is not clear. You are placing a coin inside the ship. You can stay there only. Any other questions? Okay. Ship is no, it wasn't moving. Let's still let it go. Yes. Ashanu. Okay.
വെള്ളം
Everybody ask questions. So there are so many relevant questions. Now I will answer one by one. So what are the reasons? So today we are going to study about physics, and the concept we are going to study is buoyancy. Na? Buoyancy. Yes, exactly. So, what is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the upward force. What is the downward force we experience every day? Gravity. So, opposite to that, there is an upthrust. That is called upward force is called upthrust. So, when we immerse partially or completely, and when we immerse an object partially or completely in a liquid, it exerts an upward force or upthrust. It is called buoyant force or buoyancy. Okay, so there are some factors that are affecting buoyancy. So we are going to learn that one by one. First one is density. So Manisha said, somebody has said that density is varying. So there is obviously there is density difference between coin and a ship. Which has more density? Ship. No. Ship has less density because ship is hollow inside. The iron is hollow. The iron part of ship is hollow inside. So it has loads of air. Air is less denser than water or coin. So air is less denser than water. So it floats on the water. It always have gravity downwards, but there is an upthrust or upward force called buoyancy or buoyant force, which help the ship to float on the surface. Okay, so first fact is density. Ship is hollow inside and there is a lot of volume of air inside. So air is less denser than water, so it floats. First reason is density. Now we are going to next reason, surface area. Which has more surface area? Ship. Than coin. So surface area is more, buoyancy is more. So it floats. Okay. So surface area also is a factor. Then next one is volume. Okay. Before that, I will tell you a name. Do you recognize this? Tell me whether you recognize this name. Archimedes. Do you know Archimedes? Yes. So there was a scientist called Archimedes. Do you know the story of Eureka? Right? Yeah. He was asked by King Herod. King Herod asked him to find out the once King Herod asked his goldsmith to make a crown for him. made with the iron, with gold. And then he made just in 1 week or something, he made a beautiful crown and gifted to the king. But the king was so doubtful. Is it full of gold or any something impurity or something impure is mixed with it? But he can't. He tried so many ways to prove that, but he couldn't. So he asked Archimedes to find a way to find whether it is mixed with an impurity or not. So Archimedes was continuously thinking, and while he was waiting, he was also thinking. Then he understood that when he was waiting, there was some water displaced outside. We all have that situation, right? When we put something on water, some liquid or anything, it displaces some water outside. And he found out that, or he measured the water. So he found out that his weight and the weight of the displaced water was same. So he found an idea, and he went to the king, and he took that crown, and he took the crown and he took another gold piece of same weight. Both are of same weight, they look similar, everything similar. But by measuring weight, we can't decide both are equal in weight. But he put that crown in the water, and he measured the weight of the volume of the displaced water, and he measured the another gold water. He also put that gold piece on the water and the crown on the water at the same time, and he measured both the displaced water, and it was different. This was more in weight and this was less in weight, and he found out that impurity was mixed. This is called Archimedes principle. So here we have to, there is importance in volume. When ships are in water, the water displaced by the ship is equal to the weight of the ship. So it floats. Okay, understand? In the case of coin, water displaced by the coin and weight of coin is different. Both varies. It displays less amount of water, so it sinks. So Archimedes principle is also an application of Owen force. So if something has to float, it has to be equal weight of its displaced water. Right? Okay. Everybody is now clear about the topic? Why coins, tank, and why not ship? Everybody understood? So we can recall all this moment. Okay. First, we started with a story. What was the story? Yes. Okay. Yes, right. Then I asked you guys to ask me questions. Right? You asked me yes or no questions. At what point at which question we understood that we are coming into the point or concept? Any question density ആണ് നമുക്കൊരു കുറച്ചുകൂടി we were more connected to the topic. Okay. Now everybody understood? Okay. And you guys were so amazing and your response was so good. Thank you. And we will give you a follow-up activity now. Okay. Write a question. On gases. Yeah. Gases also exert buoyant force. Tabulate your daily life experiences in both liquid and gases